Hey everyone! Did you know that nearly 80% of men aren't getting the nutrients they need from their diets, leading to fatigue, muscle loss, and even chronic illnesses? What if I told you that one of the simplest ways to transform your health is through what you drink? In this video, we'll uncover some hidden gems of healthy drinks specifically tailored for men that can supercharge your wellness and support your fitness goals. Host continues, engaging the audience. I'm Forhad, a certified nutritionist and fitness coach with over X years of experience helping men like you optimize their health and performance. Whether it's through workouts or diet adjustments, I've seen firsthand how the right beverages can make a significant difference. After years of trial and error, I've compiled my top drink recommendations that can boost energy, enhance recovery, and promote overall wellness. Host gestures enthusiastically to the vibrant ingredients around them. Today, we're diving deep into the world of healthy drinks for men's health. We'll explore delicious smoothies, protein-packed shakes, and detoxifying beverages that not only taste great but also deliver essential nutrients. By the end of this video, you'll have a wealth of knowledge and recipes that you can easily integrate into your daily routine to enhance your vitality. So, stick around. Many men struggle to maintain optimal health due to poor hydration choices and a lack of nutrient-dense beverages. High-sugar sodas, energy drinks, and alcohol can lead to dehydration, weight gain, and nutrient deficiencies. Did you know that the average man consumes over 150 grams of sugar daily? This not only hampers physical performance but can also lead to serious health issues down the line. Host speaks directly to the camera, engaging with viewers. These unhealthy drinking habits can derail your fitness goals. Are you finding it hard to build muscle or shed those extra pounds? You might be overlooking the impact of your beverage choices. Imagine trying to reach your fitness peak but undermining it with every drink you consume. Let's hear from some individuals who faced similar challenges. Clip of a man sharing his experience with sugary drinks and weight gain. After changing his drink choices to healthier options, he lost weight and felt more energized. This shows the power of the right beverages. Host in a cozy, well-lit kitchen, surrounded by healthy drink ingredients. Now, let's dive into our solutions. Our approach combines nutrient-dense smoothies, protein shakes, and detox drinks to ensure you're fueling your body with what it truly needs. The key components we'll cover include the importance of hydration, the benefits of natural ingredients, and how to customize drinks to fit your specific goals. Let's break this down. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make 3 of the best healthy drinks for men's health. Green Power Smoothie. Ingredients: spinach, banana, almond milk, chia seeds, and protein powder. Instructions: blend spinach and banana first for a smooth base, then add the remaining ingredients. Host tastes the smoothie and shares its benefits, emphasizing protein and fiber content. Muscle Recovery Shake. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, mixed berries, honey, and walnuts. Instructions: blend yogurt and honey, then mix in the berries and top with walnuts. Discuss the importance of protein and antioxidants for recovery. Detox Lemonade. Ingredients: water, fresh lemon juice, cucumber, mint, and a pinch of sea salt. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a pitcher and let sit for a few hours. Explain how hydration aids detoxification and promotes skin health. Let's delve into the science behind these drinks. Nutrients like protein, fiber, and antioxidants play critical roles in muscle recovery and overall health. Research indicates that consuming a balanced mix of macronutrients post-workout can significantly enhance recovery times and muscle gain. Host shares quotes from experts while the screen shows their credentials. According to Dr. Ava, a nutritionist specializing in men's health, proper hydration and nutrient intake are key to maximizing your physical potential. This validates the choices we're discussing today. Here's a chart illustrating how different nutrients affect muscle recovery and energy levels. For instance, protein aids in muscle repair, while hydration helps maintain performance. Host demonstrates a quick workout followed by the drinks. Now, let's incorporate these drinks into a post-workout routine. Here's a quick workout followed by our muscle recovery shake to help you visualize how these drinks complement your fitness journey. On-screen prompts and graphics to enhance viewer engagement. Don't forget to check out the links to the recipes below. If you have any questions about the drinks, feel free to drop them in the comments. Let's talk about common pitfalls. Many people get discouraged when their drink choices don't yield immediate results. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating these drinks into your routine is about making lasting lifestyle changes. Host encourages viewers to stick to their goals. Stay motivated by tracking your progress. Consider setting weekly challenges for yourself, like trying a new healthy drink recipe each week. I want to hear from you. What are your favorite healthy drinks? Share your experiences and any questions you have in the comments. I'll be responding to your thoughts. Host gestures energetically. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends. Check out my other videos for more health and fitness tips that can transform your wellness journey. Today, we covered how to boost your health with delicious drinks packed with nutrients. Remember the Green Power Smoothie for energy, the Muscle Recovery Shake for post-workout recovery, and the Detox Lemonade for hydration.